YouTube going over tons of updates last couple of months, and there always been some changes. And I mean there always been some excitement because there are always surprises. I mean which are really strange at the same time and also exciting. And this mail was one of them, as there has been some various reason for mail attack like this. And today we'll learn more about this type of interesting cancellation. Before you go, if you're new, make sure to stay the channel. And as of the mail, your payment account AdSense pub dash 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 for Google AdSense was recently cancelled. If your balance is greater than $10, you will receive your final payment from the cancelled payments account during the next cycle. Any payments less than $10 won't be proceed. Any other active payments account associated with Google AdSense will not be affected. Thank you, the Google AdSense team. So basically, this is the result of updates. Some of the YouTubers thought this is another type of bug or glitch, as YouTube having this type of bug very common, and hope they will fix those very soon. But what about this mail? Let me clear out something. Many people have received such mails today. Many may think that their YouTube AdSense has been disabled. Maybe he was slightly scared, but no problem, no need to fear, it will not affect your YouTube AdSense. I mean, basically this is not a problem, and this message is given to those whose channel having less than $100 added, and that is the reason. And this is what YouTube means when you don't complete this month's like prepaid cancellation of $100. So they are the most possible reason that they will just remove your account from one to another, because you will getting paid from the next month if it meet the requirement of $100 threshold. So this is the reason, and I may wrong, but you guys should find out the right and the best possible solution why they are giving this. Whatever, if you find others, let me know in the comment section also. If you're new, make sure you stay the channel for more, and just subscribe this channel, I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.